Thanks for tuning in. My name is Alton. You're watching Motorradness. Let's get straight to it. Where's the best place to keep your motorcycle helmet on your motorcycle when you're away from your bike? Well, if you have a top box like I do, then you'll probably keep it inside of there. But if you don't, you'll probably leave it on your handlebars, something like this, which is okay, but there's really no security here. And anyone can walk by and just decide, hey, it's a nice helmet. I'll take this with me. And, I thought about that and it bothered me to the point where I wanted to come up with a solution, a simple, easy solution. And I want to share it with you. So what I decided, I went online and I decided, what can I purchase that's inexpensive and easy to use? So I decided to get a plastic covered cable wire, and at the end of this plastic covered cable wire, there's hooks, there's loops at the end of it to feed a padlock through. This wire is approximately 7 feet long, which is perfect if you want to do multiple helmets and you have enough line for that. So I'll show you how this works. It's real simple. You want to take the end of your cable wire and find an area on your motorcycle. And for me, it happens to be the crash bars. So I'm going to feed one end of this through the crash bars, run it up through here. And it's important to get the plastic covered wire so that you're not scratching up the paint on your bike. Then you want to take the end of it, run it up past your hand grips and through your helmet. Keep feeding it through. Find an area where it doesn't get caught. Feed it through just like that. And if you have this extra slack at the end, like I do, you can just run this through a couple times through your crash bars to shorten the line. Okay, then you want to pair up the two loops at the end. Take a padlock. I just went out and got a plain old padlock. Okay, you want to run the padlock through the loop ends. And lock it up. It's that simple. And I know what you're probably thinking. You're probably thinking, what's going to prevent somebody from coming along with a set of bolt cutters and just cutting off this padlock? Well, nothing. But how many people do you know that are just walking around with bolt cutters and looking for motorcycle helmets to steal off the bikes? So this is for the opportunist. This prevents the opportunist from going by and seeing your nice, expensive motorcycle helmet and deciding, hey, let me take this. Or the jerk that decides that, hey, I'm gonna mess with this guy and take his motorcycle helmet. This prevents that. This setup right here is really easy to use and it secures your motorcycle helmet. So that way, it's there for when you get back. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, ride reckless.